ठीक है, थैंक यू, थैंक यू. Thank you. Can we please settle down? Thank you. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. The floor is now open for question and answers. Both of them will be ready to take questions. Can we have the mics, please?
Hello. Good afternoon to all. This is for Shilpa Shetty. Yeah. Very good afternoon to you. Why did you decide to endorse this brand?
I'm actually quite finicky when it comes to endorsing brands. I've made a conscious decision to make sure that if there is a product that I endorse, people can have complete faith in the product because I have said yes. To maintain that standard, there's a lot of due diligence that I do on the product. And when this product was offered to me, I normally ask for the ingredients and I read the back of the pack first before I give my nod. And in a juice packet, all that you require is juice and is real fruit. So if it has additives or color or sugar, preservatives, which most of the Tetra Paks, if you see the back of the packet, has, it is a complete no-no for me. So when you see this packet, it just says, where is it? Ingredient is just one, pomegranate juice. That's it. So for me, that was the factor that played the most important part. And I said, there is no reason for me to say no. So I just think it's important for people to understand how important it is to choose the right product on the shelf. There are lots of juices, and lots of people buy juices. But I hope that by me endorsing this juice, people would have the faith and pick up this product because, not because I'm doing it, but because it truly is a very good product.
शिल्पा जी, मेरा प्रश्न आपसे ये है, this side. मेरा प्रश्न ये है कि गर्मियों में आप फिटनेस कैसे मेंटेन करती हैं और जूस का आपके फिटनेस में कितना बड़ा हाथ होता है?
बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है हाइड्रेटेड रहना गर्मियों में स्पेशली. तो आई मेक श्योर कि मैं नारियल पानी पीऊँ, पोमोग्रेनेट जूस पीऊँ बी नेचुरल का, बटर मिल्क पीऊँ, छाछ, और ये सारी चीज़ें, नींबू पानी बहुत आसानी से बन जाता है हर घर में. तो आई वॉन्ट टू इनकरेज पीपल इन डूइंग थिंग्स दैट आर नेचुरल और जो बहुत ही आसान तरीके से कम शक्कर के साथ अगर आप इंजेस्ट करें गर्मियों में तो बेहतर रहेगा. आई थिंक इट गिव्स यू मोर एनर्जी एंड आई थिंक मोस्ट पीपल आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट कॉन्सेप्ट एज वेल, है ना?
हाय शिल्पा.
हाय.
I would like to ask you, how much stress or pressure do you feel being a celebrity, actor, mother, to be, into a fitness particular correct form or correct shape?
नहीं, उसका तो कोई प्रेशर नहीं रहता. कभी कभी बहुत काम हो जाता है and I'm really overworked, और कंप्यूटर भी जब ज़्यादा अगर आप चलाओ तो उसका हार्ड डिस्क क्रैश हो जाता है. तो ऐसा कुछ मामला हुआ है आज मेरे साथ. I've been very overworked, but that's the way the human body functions. I think it's very important to have enough sleep, enough rest, and you shouldn't overwork too much. And to make sure that your immunity is at its all-time high, you have to eat the right kind of foods and drink the right amount of fluids. And it doesn't just necessarily mean water. Fluids of all kinds, and especially with lesser sugar, ये मेरा मानना है, because sugar is really poison, if you ask me, and sugar in its most natural forms. तो weight का मुझे या size का मुझे कभी pressure नहीं होता. काम का हाँ थोड़ा सा pressure होता है, लेकिन I love what I do. I enjoy what I do. So I'm very grateful actually to God for giving me that kind of pressure.
Shilpa, here,
Excuse me?
I'd like to ask that what would be your message to all the women who are scared to live freely in this male-dominated society?
Are scared to?
Live freely in this male-dominated society.
That's a very heavy question, if you ask me. I think I can see a very positive change in our society, if you ask me. It's a welcome change. I feel, and I've said this before, that we live in an egalitarian society now, where women and men are practically at power. So, at par. So I just think that जो ladies डरती हैं या जिन लड़कियों में वो confidence नहीं है, they need to, you know, get over that and rise above it. And there will come a time where men will start feeling inferior. I'm sorry, with due respect, because I don't think there's any field where the women, that women haven't conquered already. So चांद तक पहुंच चुके हैं. So I just think that it's just a matter of time for those women, especially two tiers or, you know, जो छोटे शहरों की हैं, जिनको encouragement नहीं मिलता. But I think this government is really trying to help even there. And I really think that it begins with education. To be educated is where it starts with and where it begins with. So it has to start from the grassroots level. And education पे मैं ज़्यादा जोर दूँगी to kind of get over that insecurity and confidence.
Hemant, so what is the kind of a synergies you will be deriving out of your group companies to make it be natural, a natural product?
I think before I respond to your question, I want to take this opportunity to thank our brand ambassador, Shilpa Shetty Kundra, to be here, to be part of our brand. And I think she's articulated the brand philosophy so well. And she embodies the philosophy of the brand. So we are really grateful to her to be our ambassador. And also, despite being a little under the weather, which she says doesn't happen to her usually because she's so fit, and still taking the time to be with all of us. Coming to your question in terms of how do we look at the synergy of ITC as a group, we are a diversified group, as you are well aware. And in the food business itself, in fact, when we came into the food business, the genesis of it was in terms of looking at the diversity that ITC had. So we had a very successful hotel business. We had a successful agri-business going on. And we looked at what is it that we can bring together and create this food business. So when you look at, you know, recently we have just launched chocolates, you know, Febel. In fact, there is a small counter here in this hotel as well. And the entire crafting of that chocolate has happened by our hotel master chefs. So similarly, when we look at any product that we put into the market, we take the, I was talking about spices, the blended spices before, in a response to one of your questions. And the blending of that spices was done by our master chefs. Then we look at the sourcing. The sourcing happens through our agribusiness division. And we have a distribution organization which actually is able to make the product available across the country, which is another part of the synergy. And of course, we have the business which actually builds a brand and the product development and stuff. So it's a very, the synergy that we have is fairly unique to this Indian company. Thank you.
शिल्पा, one more question. चूंकि आपने फिटनेस के ऊपर बुक भी लिखी है, इसलिए ये सवाल आपसे पूछना चाहती हूँ. आजकल कई बार फिल्मों के लिए सेलिब्रिटी एक्टर एक्ट्रेसेस अपना एक तो वेट बढ़ा लेते या कभी कम भी कर लेते. ये हेल्थ पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से कितना सही लगता है आपको? क्या आपने कभी अपने करियर में किसी फिल्म के रोल के लिए ऐसा किया था?
नहीं यार, ऐसे रोल्स मुझे कभी ऑफर ही नहीं हुए, अनफॉर्चुनेटली.